Okay guys, so today I have this brand new door that I'm replacing on a Hyundai, and from the factory it doesn't come with seam sealer. So what I've done is I've scotch padded the edge where the seam sealer would go, and then I masked off an area for the seam sealer. So what I'm going to do is use high build self-leveling seam sealer, and what that's do is it's going to level itself off so you don't get a hard edge, and I'll show you how that's done. First I'm going to equalize my seam sealer, so make sure it's coming out even. Then I'll get the nozzle on and let that mix. Okay, now it's ready to go. So now I'm just going to smooth it over with my hands. Now my corners, I'm just going to clean them up. Clean up the corner, give it that factory look. Okay, that's basically it. Pretty simple. Give it that nice factory finish.